Hey YouTube, Darren here. I'm going to show you what all's been going on, what I'm getting ready to do now. This is the Murray that I've been getting prepped and getting ready. Murray wide body LT. Everything worked on it. The engine had blown and I figured, ah heck, I'll keep it and make another toy out of it. All the pieces are here. The brakes work on the transaxle. It shifts fine. All the linkage is intact and good, which is a big problem I had with the other one. I've got my 16 horse V-twin Vanguard, got it set up and bolted down and everything. Gonna have to do a little bit of cutting and fabricating on the hood to get it to close. I'll reposition that exhaust pipe. I'll run it somewhere. I like running mufflers. I don't like straight pipes. They're too loud out in the woods. I like it quiet. So I'm going to make it bend up and around and put maybe two mufflers in line. The front tires are on there and they're all situated. I've got that together and I'm getting ready to take out transaxle. This is a 5-speed transaxle. Nothing wrong with it. It works good. I've got a 6-speed transaxle and I'm going to I think put the 6-speed in. I'm not really sure. I'm toying with the idea of going ahead and putting it in the 5-speed, welding the rear end up, and then extending this out and putting another 5-speed transaxle behind it. I do have 2 or 3 5-speed transaxles. I only have one 6-speed, but I should be able to find another one if I decided to do it. I'm not really sure because I don't want to have to hunt for any more of these damn tires, just because they're a pain in the butt. This is something I just got in. This is a funky one. It's like a 90s model Murray with a Vanguard 14 horsepower overhead valve. Go figure. So this is what I'm doing. More to come in just a little bit. Thank you. Hey YouTube, this is the next part of the video. I'm doing another transmission. I finally decided on the 6-speed. I figured worst comes to worst, if I do end up putting another transmission behind it and doing 2 driving units in the back, I'll just find another 6-speed and do it anyway. Or I'll take a gear out of this, because it should be the same, and make it a 5-speed and get another 5-speed. But there it is. I got the bolts out, took the 2 bolts out of the bottom. This is, what is it? Spicer 6-speed, which Spicer is Tecumseh. Hang on. Yeah, there it is, peerless. Hang on, we're upside down. There it is, peerless. So there's that, and I cleaned it all up, and I'm about to crack it open and get started on it. More to come. Okay, got it apart. Didn't take too very long, but as you can see, it's all nice, and for a transmission, it's really nice, clean, pristine. I don't think I've ever torn one open that has actually looked this nice on the inside. Usually they're all gummed up and rusted to shit. So I'm going to take this guy out, clean it up, weld it up, and throw it back in there. It shouldn't take very long. Oh, no, okay, it's good. Alright, something else. Just got in the shop. New big ass vise. A friend of mine gave me that for helping him out doing some work. It's a lot bigger than the one I have, and the other one is in my little workshop, my other workshop now. So thanks, Andy. And that, I finally got that mounted on the table. A little bitty one, but it does the job. I'm actually going to use it just a few minutes. I still got to get this bolted down, but I've been using it already. I probably shouldn't. But that's it, and I will get this cleaned up, get it prepped, and then we will weld. Okay, now I've got it ready, and I'm getting ready to do a little bit of grinding on this first. I'll grind the tip down on this to help to make room for the welds, and put that on there. And then I saw somebody else, I can't remember his name, grind off the surface of this to make the welds adhere better. So I think I'm going to do that as well, just to go ahead and get it prepped and ready, since I'm right here by the grinder anyway. I'll do those surfaces and get them ready, and then just weld the hell out of it, see if I can get this done kind of quick. Okay, I've got them ground down now, so that's what it looks like, and it didn't leave any burrs or anything, which is good. Got these tips ground down, got everything ground down, and I even wore my little safety glasses because I got some metal in my eye the other day, and that kind of hurt. So now I'm going to get everything set up for the welder, and we'll do a little bit of welding real quick.
Just another one.